Now let's see some grammar and oral topics for DELE A1 oral exam. First one is lugar favorito. This is tourism but in a basic way. For example, different dishes, what ingredients do they have, or different touristic places, or for example beaches, mountains, landscape but in a basic way, people in a basic way, or if you have been to this place, etc. Number two is mi familia. Now this is centered around self-introduction. How many family members are there in your home? What are their names? You may need vocabulary of relations. You may need vocabulary of professions. What are their ages? What are their likes, hobbies, likes, dislikes? What do they do? Etc. etc. Bonus tip, if you want to increase your vocabulary, you can create brothers and sisters. Third suggestion would be your pet. Now this is similar to the family, but you have to talk about the pet. What is their name? What is their breed? What do they like? What do they dislike? What do they do in their free time or their daily routine? The most important tip of all is that you have to pay attention to all the questions or points given in your exam paper. Do not avoid even one point. Now let's discuss briefly the grammar you may need for the exam of A1. A1 is the first level, so you have to practice conjugating or forming sentences in the present tense. You should know the use of the verb gustar, the use of the verb querer, different articles, el, la, los, o las, different possessivos like mi, tu, su, etc. Demonstrativos like este, esta, and the use of the reflexive verbs like llamarse. Do you want to practice for the exam? Reach out to us on these numbers and we'll get in touch. Hasta pronto!